Success. Success comes with consistency. Success comes with determination. Have patience and work hard. Take risk and take action. Forex Trading Industry. Black Workers Crew 2021.
Hello guys, hope you're all good and well. My name is Andrew, and today we're going to talk on how as a student you can be financial free and make money. So we'll discuss a lot of stuffs, and we'll go to different areas, and I'll give you some literature options. First of all, most students never make money because or never involve themselves in entrepreneurship because they see that, and they have this mindset that as a student I'm so busy I cannot have time to involve myself in different financial aspects, so I don't have capital, or being a student it takes a lot of time, so it's very hard for me to do any kind of work for me to receive money. But today I just want to tell you that's wrong. Being a student, you have a lot of opportunities to make it in life. First of all, you have time. Apart from time, no matter how your studies are hard, no matter how your timetable is hard, but still you have time. You have time to learn, you have time to try and try. No matter you get it or you doesn't get it at this time, but you still have time to fail and fail. So being a student, sometimes it can be so good for you to start your entrepreneurship journey and make it. Example, in this time we are in a digital age, so most of the economy is controlled digitally. There are a lot of opportunities. Like now you're seeing me in my slide, I show you on stuff related to trading stuff. First of all, trading means it's all about buying and selling. So one of the opportunities in this digital age is art of trading, where you can trade Forex trading, you can go to stock markets, you can go to a lot of stuff. It's not just trading, which is digital. In a digital economy, we also have network marketing, we also have YouTube, we also have drop shipping and other options. But one of the things we're going to discuss today, and we're going to talk it in simple manner, is just trading. So trading, and I will deal in Forex trading. So I know most of you have heard about Forex trading, and you will be asking yourselves, what's this all about Forex trading? And remember, I've told you as a student, how can you make it in life and how can you make it through trading? First of all, you should know what's trading, what's Forex. The term trading is all about buying and selling stuff. So Forex is all about foreign exchange. So it deals with exchanging money from one currency to another. Like example, I may be in a country called Tanzania and I want to exchange my Tanzanian shillings and to change it to euros. So when I exchange Tanzanian shillings to euro, that's Forex. So Forex is all about changing money. I mean, you have Tanzanian shilling changing to euro, or euro to Tanzanian shillings, that's Forex. So Forex is applied to worldwide and to different aspects. So I can never do any business worldwide or international business without Forex. Forex is all involved about changing the money, and Forex is applied to different areas. We can apply it in like changing of money in bureau de change. You can also apply Forex to make money. First of all, why do you need Forex, and why is it important as a student for you to make money? You cannot do great in business because most of the people lack financial aid. So Forex is this kind of stuff which gives you the ability to be financial freedom. When you know the art of trading, you can make a lot of money through it. And Forex is so good, and it's so easy, and it doesn't consume time, and I see it's a good thing for you as students to do it and to learn it, right? Okay, let me just give you a simple introduction and definition of Forex trading. You know, when you can listen to me now, you can get it in every aspect in Forex trading. All right, how are we doing Forex trading? First of all, Forex trading, we'll also look on how can you do Forex trading, how can you make it in life in Forex trading, how big is this Forex trading potential has. So, okay, Forex trading, as I said, is all about buying and selling of currencies and exchanges and to different kind of people. First of all, there are two ways in which currencies can be exchanged. There is a digital way where we use our phones through different platforms like MetaTrader and iTrade Live and different kind of transform where you can use to buy and sell different currencies, and this is done by the help of people called brokers. So you can use brokers to buy and sell different currencies, maybe euro to dollar or dollar to yen, any kind of amount. So Forex trading can be done also in a physical way where it's applied in bureau de change. So bureau de change, what you see what's happening in bureau de change, that's mostly Forex because it's all about exchanging of money. I go with my Tanzanian shillings, I'm given a rupee. I go with my rupee, I'm given a US dollar. That's all Forex. So it can be done in a physical way and it can also be done in a digital way. Remember, we are in a economy where most of the stuffs are digitally. So you can also use Forex as a student to make money in a digital way. You can be learning stuffs and you can also be trading because it doesn't need your physical presence for you to make it in life in Forex. You just need that digital presence for you to make it. So it's easy stuff. All right, how do Forex trading make profit? You know, some people know that Forex is all by buying and selling of stuff. First of all, you should know that Forex people make profits or losses either by buying or selling of different currencies. So a person may be buying at a very small amount of price, like I may buy a dollar with my euros for like 1.5 amount, and when I come to sell it, I sell it to 1.8 amount. So the difference is 0.3. That difference of 0.3 is the one which gives me money. So the more I buy at a low price and when I come to sell, I sell at a higher price. That's how I make it in Forex. So it's the same concept which you apply it online, and we'll also see how the online trading is and how starts work also. All right, this Forex, we can see like in my slide I said that trading and traders make money through different principles. We'll talk of three principles. The main principles, one of it is distance moved, and the other one is leverage, and the other one is trading psychology. As I say, distance moved is all about, let's observe the chart first of all. When you look on the chart, trading chart, let's go to our trading chart. We will see this is our trading chart. So when the applies, let's go to view and standard bar. Yeah, that's good. Also view. Right, put lines, that's good. And again, view. This is our platform, is called MetaTrader 5, and mostly it's used for trading. All right, so when I go to Like I said, we either make money through distance principle. What's the distance principle? First of all, we assume our price of the market is that area. We all see this lady area. I think everyone can see it. So this is where the market is for now. So what's happened is, when I am buying this amount, for instance, I want to buy, how do I make profit? And for instance, if I want to sell, how do I make profit? When I buy from here, the market means has to go up until higher place, somewhere here. It may go up to somewhere here, or we may take it to somewhere here for me to make profit. That means that I have to buy when the price is low. As you see, the price is low here, where it is, and when it goes a little bit higher, that's how I'm making profit. It means the price might be 1.2113, and when the price rises to 1.2118, that I've made my profit when I buy. But things are different when I sell. When I sell, for me to make profits, the market has to go down. So my market has to go a little bit down. So from where I began, when I sell, when it just moves 1 point or 2 points, it depends, an amount of points, that's how I start making profits. But this only occurs when I sell. So the principle is, when I buy, the price must be lower and it goes higher for me to make profit. And when I sell, the price must be higher and it goes lower for me to make a profit. So that's the first principle, which we say, it's just a simple one, which we say the principle of distance moving. So the distance moved from one point to another, that's how traders make profit. And another principle, we call it leverage. First of all, in Forex trading, it's so difficult for currencies to move. Like we see here, we are in Euro USD. Currencies move from one point to another. It's so difficult for them to move a huge distance. So when the distance moved is huge, that's more profit I get. When the distance moved is low, that's the low profit I get. So the higher the distance moved, the higher the profit. The lower the distance moved, the lower the profit. So to overcome that difficult, because it's so difficult for currencies to move a higher distance. So what happens is, I have to use another principle, which is called leverage. Leverage enables me to, even if I move a smaller distance, when I apply the leverage, is I can get more returns. So the idea is, when I use the higher leverage, the higher the return. Let me show you from the screen. I'll go to property and I'll go to this area and I'll go to show. What I want is a quick trading. Okay, it's already shown. Okay, let's go to my quick trading. Oh, it's not a problem. We can just go also to place another new trade. As 0 USD. Temperate. The idea. So the idea of leverage is, leverage are just numbers where they move from 0 to any amount we wish. I'm trying to look on let's try to put a new order. Something goes wrong here. Oh, that's not a problem. So what's happening in leverage is I can move just from here. Do you see, from this area where the market is for now to, for instance, I decide to buy and it goes a little bit higher from here to here. If I use a leverage, remember, for the market for me to make a huge profit, the market must move from lower area to a higher area. For instance, if I'm buying, so when I move from here to here, I'll get a big and a huge profit, but it will be smaller compared to when I move from here to here. So this one will give me a small profit, this distance, compared to this distance. This distance will make me a huge profit. But the idea is when I use a leverage is amount of money, which when I use a huge leverage, I can move the market just from where I am here, from where the market is here to here. When I use a leverage of like a leverage of 0.5, let's try it another way. Okay, let's try to write trade, see stop loss, take profit, buy. See, today is sad for me to put a market because today is Sunday, the market is closed. But the idea of leverage is when I use a higher leverage, I can just move a smaller distance and make huge profit. So by using a leverage, I no longer need to move a higher distance for me to make a profit. I only need a smaller distance with a huge leverage for me to make a profit. So like when we observe in leverage, example, like in Blessed Effects, our leverage system is this way. Like when I use a $20 account, I will just move and I use a leverage of 0.01. And leverage use a unit called lot. So when I move that kind of, when I have that kind of capital, I just use a leverage of 0.01. So whatever my capital is like 60, I'll use a leverage of 0.03. So what happens is, using this amount of leverage, at first when I use a leverage of 0.01, I'll just move a small distance and the amount which I'll make, it will be small amount. But if I decide to use a leverage of 0.03, I'll move the same distance, but the amount of money which I'll make, it will be times 3. The one I made at first. So, and if I decide to use again like a 0.1 leverage, I'll move the same distance, but I'll be able to make a times 10 money compared to when I could use the first leverage. So the higher the leverage, the higher the profit. It's also a price to the loss. So that's one of the disadvantages. So you can get a huge profit at a shorter and a small distance moved, just by applying a huge leverage, and you can also get a loss. So it's very important to be careful now which kind of leverage you're using. So this is the amount of leverage you can use in Forex trading, and based on my trading system and based on this roadmap of leverage is, when I have a $20, I can double this account to $20 again. As a student, it only takes me fewer time and just not a huge knowledge, a simple knowledge to make it. And I can use a leverage. I said for you to move and I make a huge profit in a leverage. So I can use a leverage of 0.01 and it will just take me only 10 trades, where it will take me only 10 days to double my account. So I will take my investment from $20 to $40 in only 10 days. And what will be done is every day I'll just be taking 2 trades. So Every day I'm just taking 2 trades, and each trade I'm just taking a distance movement of 10 points, where 10 points is from here, a distance of 10 pips or 10 points is from here to here. So when the market moves from where it started here to somewhere here, that's 10 pips. So from here to here, that's 10 pips. So I just require for the market from here I say buy and it moves from here to here, 10 pips. Or if I say sell and it moves from here to here, and the distance is just 10 pips, I need to just make that one trade at a day, and the next trade at the second time in a day. That's only my work, and it will take me only 2 trades a day, and it will take me only 10 trading days. That today I do the same thing, tomorrow I do the same thing, which will be like 2 weeks for me to take my investment from $20 to $40. Guys, no other business can give you this amount of returns, especially that's only Forex trading. So due to this my trading system, I've come to know logically, and it's possible, and mathematical too. I can take a $20 investment to $1 million investment in only 8 months. Remember, I just need to trade by making a 10 pip movement, which is from here to here when I sell, and from here to here when I buy. One trade, and the second trade, after that I'm done with the day. I go to the next day, to the next day. When I do the same continuous amount of stuff, in 2 weeks I'll be able to double my account from an investment of $10 to $20, or an investment of $100 to $200. That's it. You only need that, and I also need to use a leverage, a reasonable leverage. So a leverage which I'll use based on my investment. So if I have a $40 investment, a leverage I'll be using is 0.02. That's it. After that, I repeat the same thing. I make money. I'm free. I get whatever money I need. So when I try to learn this forex trading, and I know just the principle of distance moved and the principle of leverage, I can make it. You don't need for you to learn at your universities and go to get a job for you to be financially free. For this age, you are lucky. You also have forex trading. You can use it to make money and be financially free, and take what you're learning from school to solve different problems for people. A lot of people have a lot of problems, so you can invest most of your knowledge you're learning in school to solve problems rather than to find something to keep you financially free. You can use forex to make you financially free. As you can see, guys, I've just shown you how simple it is to make $1 million. That's it. Another principle in forex trading, I say 3 principles. The first principle was distance moved. The first principle was distance moved. You all know distance moved. Then distance moved principle. We also talked about leverage principle. Now we are talking of proper trading psychology. Okay, trading psychology, as all businesses, you know that you cannot succeed in any business without having a proper mindset about that kind of business. So, first of all, for you to be great and successful in Forex, you need to know the truth about Forex markets. Most people confuse Forex and they not make it in Forex because they never know what Forex really is. First of all, is every moment in the market is unique. So what do I mean when I say every moment is unique? You see what's happening now here. What's happening now here in Forex is, you can see, most people tend to use the past experience of the market to determine the future of the market movement. Remember, for you to make money, you must say which kind of direction is the market will go to the future. So most people tend to take the past experience, like they see market moves moving down this way, then they saw this kind of pattern, so they think the market will go up based on due to the past experiences the market used to do so and so. Guys, this is not the reality about forex market. What you have to know is every moment is unique. Yes, most of the times the market used to show you this kind of pattern. It doesn't mean that since most of the times the market used to go up from here, it will also go up this time. So that's the first reality of us know in forex trading. The market can have this kind of tendency for a long duration of time, but it doesn't mean that it will work out even today. Today the market might move in a different direction. But what you need to know is every moment is unique. So the market can be now here. So there can be two probabilities. Either the market can buy or it can sell. So that's one of the key points you should know in forex trading. When you have such kind of mindset, is you can have a proper psychology of trading. And we must know that every moment you trade, there are new traders, they never know your system. So this is all about justifying this. Every moment you trade is unique. Today you'll find new traders trading. So what they see in this kind of trading, it's not what traders yesterday saw when this kind of pattern occurred. So that's all about every moment is unique. Okay, when we also talk of trading psychology, one of the things we must know is that the market is moved by information. So you must understand the fundamental of the market. What do I mean by fundamental of markets? Most of the times you see this kind of pattern formed. You see the market moved maybe from here and it went so aggressively down. What moved the market this way? That's just the news. There's some news that occurs. First of all, you should not to read news. Trump may go to the social media and say, oh, United States dollar is so strong, so that's why United States dollar, and there's a treasury, we have a lot of gold, so the dollar can never go down. Based just on that news, you may find the market moving up. So your patterns may show you the market is moving down, but based on that information, traders they find themselves buying. So how can you know information about the market? There are different platforms, there are different websites can help you. Example is Forex Factory. So you can just go to your Google, as you see, and type Forex Factory to know what's occurring to the markets. When I click the website, I'll be able to see the news about a duration of time. First of all, whenever you click, you have to check on your time. You see this time, it means my time zone is not light, so I have to refresh it again until you get a proper time zone. Okay, now this is my time zone. Time is right. Alright, now we're in Sunday, so I may click more. Example, we're in Monday, and based on the time I look, now is I may say 4:24. So when I look and see it 4:24, I see, maybe there's such kind of news like USD in this kind of amount in this time. So based on this time and what the news says, they say Federal Bank, I may click to the news, or I may go to check to news. This area up here, I go to news, we all see news, and see what does it say. Maybe there's a news saying American so inflation points spoken what. So I listen news and analyze it, and I know, based on this news, the US dollar might go up or might go down. That's fundamental. That's what moves the market. That's why you see these aggressive movements. That's news. The information is what moves the market. So when you know that truth, you'll be relaxed, you'll be emotional well in forex trading. Also, we must also know that another truth is the market is not moved by candlestick patterns. So like you see, this is a pattern formed. What you must know is that based of the pattern formed, you may see your pattern, and most of the times it tells you might be when this kind of stuff occurs, the market moves up. That's not true, guys. What moves the market is news, it's information, it's not the patterns. So never spend most of your time looking at patterns. Spend most of your time knowing the news and making proper decision about the market movement. When you know that, you'll be done with emotions. You won't be disturbed. All right. Most of the negative beliefs people have in Forex trading, we are talking on psychology. Most people never make it in Forex because they don't have a light mindset. They don't have a light psychology. One of it is people have a mindset that Forex is this get rich quick scheme. So most of them want and come in Forex for the aim of making money and becoming so rich. That's not true. Yes, as a student who can make money in Forex and can make a huge amount of money, it's true, but Forex is not a get rich quick. You have to go time by time. You have to learn and understand well the movement of the market. You have to know the structure on how market moves and how when to buy, when to sell, which kind of leverage you should use, when to trade, when not to trade, which kind of news you should follow, which kind of news you should not go into, that kind of stuff. So when you know such kind of stuff, you can easily make it. But if you don't know it, guys, it's very hard for you to make it. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to learn, you have to put your time and learning it. It won't take you a long time, it will just take you some time. You have to put work in it, you have to analyze the charts, you'll make it. Also, another negative thought people have is it's a scam, which is not true. Forex is not a scam because people make money, people can deposit money and can withdraw their money. That's reality, people making money in Forex trading. So it's not a scam. Also, some people think Forex trading is all about gambling, which is not true. First of all, the definition of gambling is getting something out of nothing. You're not putting any work and you're getting stuffs. But in Forex, it involves a lot of work. It involves a lot of time for you to know the charts. It involves a lot of discipline for you to discipline your emotions. As an investor, must trade not by following your emotions. You must trade based by following the logic. So it takes a lot of work. It's not a hard work. As a student, you can manage it, but Forex is not gambling. And other people think Forex is risky, which is not true. Based on this kind of negative knowledge about Forex, this is what makes a lot of people to never move and to never get it and to never succeed in Forex. They think it's so risky, which is not true. In Forex, amount of risk, you are responsible for it. So it's the only business which you can decide which amount of risk you should take. So you can decide, oh, I will take maybe this amount of risk. So when the market goes against me, I may be able to grow my account in this amount. But most people, what they think is risk because they never consider that and they never know that in Forex, you are the one responsible for the risk. You are the one choosing which amount of risk you should take, which amount of risk you should expose yourself. Most people expose themselves to huge risk for the aim of making money so fast, for the aim of becoming so rich at early stage, which is not true. This is a business. You have to have discipline. You have to go consistently following your system and you'll make it. So it's not risky. It's so easy. Okay, guys, that's how Forex trading is. So Forex is so an easy stuff, and we can do it in Forex. Yeah, guys. Yeah, everything is good, and yeah, you can have a question. Anyone who have a question can ask. Anyone who has a question can ask, and we'll reply you. We'll reply you, and we'll keep making more videos to answer more of your questions. So don't worry. Even if you're not live, you can just post a question, and when we come back, we'll go through everything, and we'll give you answers to different kind of questions. So I was just showing you how you can make money in Forex trading and how Forex is also gives opportunity for you to make money. And as a student, it's a good option for you because you don't need banks for you to get capital for your business. For this generation, you can make money using your phone and internet. That's it, guys. So get up early and work hard on it and do research on it. It's a great opportunity for you to make money. It's a great opportunity for you to be financial free. That's Forex trading. And I will keep posting more and more and telling more about different kind of opportunities. It's not just Forex trading which you can make money online. There are a lot of opportunities like deep shipping and other kind of opportunities. And what I can say is, as a student, you have a lot of opportunities. You can make it in life. So don't give any kind of excuses to yourself. You have a phone, you have an internet, and you have a passion for a good life. So work it out and you make it, bro. Have a nice time. We are signing out.